Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Akira Fitri. I am from class PBIB. I will explain about language in psycholinguistic perspective. Language from a linguistic perspective. From a linguistic point of view, language is understood as a system consisting of sound, words, and grammatical rules used by humans to communicate. Linguistics study how language is structured, how sentences are formed, how meaning is produced, and how language changes over time. The main focus is on the technical aspect of language such as phonetic, syntax, and semantic, without considering the brain processes. Language from a psycholinguistic perspective. In psycholinguistics, language is examined in relation to the human mind. It investigates how people understand, produce, and learn language. This includes how the brain processes words and sentences, how memory supports communication, and how language is mentally organized. Psycholinguistics is particularly interested in how language is actually used, for example, in speaking, listening, or reading. Psycholinguistic perspective language use. Language production. This relates to how talk are transformed into speech. It involves choosing the right words, constructing sentences, and delivering them clearly. Psycholinguistics study how quickly and accurately people can perform this process and what happens in the brain during speech production. Language perception. This refers to how people compare spoken or written language. It includes recognizing words, processing grammar, and interpreting meaning. The brain processes sounds or letters, content them with meaning, and enables appropriate response. Language acquisition. This concerns how humans learn language, especially during childhood. Psycholinguistics explore how infants acquire their first language, how they naturally develop grammatical rules, and how a second language is learned. It's considered both biological and cognitive factors. Similarity and difference among the three perspectives. Similarity. All three perspectives see language as an essential tool for communication. They examine how humans create and understand language and recognize that language has both structure and meaning. Difference. The linguistic perspective focuses on the structure of language rules, sound, grammar. The psycholinguistic perspective emphasizes how the mind processes language. The subfields of psycholinguistic production, perception, acquisition focus on different aspects of language use, speaking, understanding, and learning. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.